Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. My name's Charlotte and today I'm going to show you around this lovely Defender D240 S in Indus Silver. This car's previously had 2 owners. It's next due for a service in October 2023 and has done 32,925 miles. As it's part of our approved used, you get a minimum 12 months warranty and minimum 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. So I'm going to give you a 360 tour around the vehicle and then I'll get inside and show you the technology. So you have LED headlights with daytime running lights, giving the car a modern exterior. "19-inch 6-split spoke silver finish alloys going into the back of the vehicle. You have enough space there for 3 passengers, along with a centre armrest for maximum comfort and some charging ports, which is great for longer journeys. Going round and in towards your boot, you have plenty of space there for personal items such as golf clubs and pushchairs, and you can also put the seats down if you do need extra room. You also have a tow bar, which is great for towing caravans, boats and jet skis. Privacy glass giving the car a sportier look. Going into the driver's side, you have part electrically adjustable front seats, a leather steering wheel, Ebony part leather seats and a sliding panoramic roof, allowing a lot more light into the car and really brightening up your interior. So that is the end of your 360 tour. I'm now going to get inside the car and show you the technology. On your right you have controls for your electric windows, along with electrically folding wing mirrors, which is really helpful if you're in a tight space. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, which is useful for longer journeys. Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go, and voice control. You have an interactive driver display where you can view your vehicle, media, trip, and view and change your display, for example if you want the full map in front of you. In the middle you have a touchscreen with sat-nav and DAB radio, along with other functions including a rear view camera, making parking and reversing so much easier, especially if you're not used to the size of the car. Heated front seats, which are definitely a luxury in winter. You also have valet mode, enabling you to lock the screen so that a valet can only access your climate control, keeping things like your address safer. Various different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving the vehicle, making it suitable for all conditions. Some more charging ports and some storage in your armrest. Stepping back outside the car, thank you for watching this video on this lovely Defender D240 S110 in Indus Silver, which is part of our approved used. We offer many different finance packages, so if you would like a personalised quote or to book a test drive, please just call 01785 899 446. Thank you.